What's the meaning of business administration? Business administration. Business administration.
Business administration. Business administration. Business administration refers to the management of business operations to achieve specific goals and objectives. It involves the organization, planning, implementation, and control of various business activities such as finance, marketing, and human resources. Successful business administration leads to the efficient running of a company, better decision-making, improved productivity, increased profitability, and growth opportunities. By ensuring that all aspects of a business are functioning effectively and efficiently, business administration helps to create a sustainable and profitable business model.